हेलो नॉलेज सीकर्स, वेलकम टू द करंट नॉलेज चैनल। मैं जिनल आज आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी 30 अप्रैल से जुड़े करंट अफेयर्स के पॉइंट्स। सभी पॉइंट्स की पीडीएफ फाइल आप हमारी वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। वेबसाइट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद क्वेश्चन 1। इंटरनेशनल डांस डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय नृत्य दिवस मनाया जाता है। ऑप्शंस आर ए 30th अप्रैल, बी 29th अप्रैल, सी 28th अप्रैल, डी 27th अप्रैल। And the correct answer is B 29th April.
International Dance Day is celebrated on 29th April every year globally. The day was started by the Dance Committee of the International Theatre Institute, a major partner of UNESCO Performing Arts.
Question 2. Which state government has extended curfew for 2 more weeks till May 17? किस राज्य सरकार ने 17 मई तक 2 और हफ्तों के लिए कर्फ्यू का विस्तार किया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए राजस्थान, बी पंजाब, सी यूपी, डी बिहार। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी पंजाब।
The Punjab government has announced extension of state curfew by 2 more weeks till May 17 to combat the spread of coronavirus. The announcement was made by Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh in a video address to the people on April 2019.
Question 3. Which government has issued ordinances to cut the salary of its employee to deal with the COVID-19 crisis? किस सरकार ने कोविड-19 संकट से निपटने के लिए अपने कर्मचारियों के वेतन में कटौती के लिए अध्यादेश जारी किए हैं? ऑप्शंस आर ए केरला, बी पंजाब, सी आंध्र प्रदेश, डी नन ऑफ दीज। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए केरला। Question 4. Irfan Khan, who was awarded the Padma Shri Award, has died. For whom was he famous? पद्मश्री अवार्ड से नवाजे गए इरफान खान का निधन हुआ है। वो किसके लिए प्रसिद्ध थे? ऑप्शंस आर ए ऑथर, बी एक्टर, सी पॉलिटिशियन, डी सिंगर। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी एक्टर।
One of the finest actors of Bollywood, Irfan Khan, passed away on April 29th at Kokilabein Hospital, Mumbai, following a prolonged illness. The actor was suffering from rare colon cancer. The actor is survived by his wife Sutapa and son Ayan and Babil. He was the last seen in the film Angrezi Medium. He brought a new wave in Indian cinema with some of his remarkable films, including The Lunchbox, Pan Singh Tomar, Makbool, and others.
Question 5. How many billion used has been pledged by BRICS countries to revive economy? ब्रिक्स देशों ने अर्थव्यवस्थाओं को पुनर्जीवित करने के लिए कितनी बिलियन अमेरिकी डॉलर का वचन दिया है? ऑप्शंस आर ए 10 बिलियन डॉलर, बी 15 बिलियन डॉलर, सी 13 बिलियन डॉलर, डी 20 बिलियन डॉलर। And the correct answer is B 15 billion dollar.
BRICS nations conducted a meeting of foreign ministers on April 28 to discuss the COVID-19 crisis and its impact on economics. The meeting was attended by the Minister of Foreign Affairs of member countries through video conferencing. The group pledged the support of USD 15 billion to the new development bank to review the economics.
Question 6. Which country has lost the right to host the Men's World Boxing Championship 2021? किस देश ने पुरुषों की विश्व मुक्केबाजी चैंपियनशिप 2021 की मेजबानी के अधिकार खो दिए हैं? Options are A. India, B. China, C. France, D. US. And the correct answer is A. India.
Following the failure of Boxing Federation of India to pay host fee to the International Boxing Association, India lost its right to host 2021 Men's World Boxing Championship. The tournament will now be hosted by Serbia.
Question 7. Which state government has launched a scheme called जगन्ना विद्या दिवेना योजना? किस राज्य सरकार ने जगन्ना विद्या दिवेना योजना नामक योजना का आरंभ किया है? Options are A. Kerala, B. Punjab, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy launched the Jagannath Vidya Divana scheme on 28 April.
8. Troy Sned, who was nominated for a Grammy Award, has passed away. For whom was he famous? ग्रैमी पुरस्कार के लिए नॉमिनेटेड होने वाले ट्रॉय स्नेट का निधन हुआ है, वो किसके लिए प्रसिद्ध थे? Options are A. Author, B. Actor, D. Politician, D. Singer. And the correct answer is D. Singer.
Gospel singer Troy Snell, who was nominated for Grammy Award, has died due to coronavirus. Troy Snell was nominated for a Grammy Award for Youth for Chris 1999 album Higher.
Question 9. Which country group has launched the initiative Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator? किस देश के समूह ने एक्सेस को टू कोविड-19 टूल एक्सीलरेटर पहल लॉन्च की है? ऑप्शंस आर ए SAARC, B G20, C BRICS, D none of these. And the correct answer is B G20.
The G20 group has launched the new initiative Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator headed by Saudi Arabia. New initiative Access to COVID-19 Tool Accelerator interprets for collective participation, including improving synergy for action, uniting everyone to solve problems, and guiding investment to create a new COVID-19 treatment and vaccine, will act as a global platform to do. It also aims to provide equitable access to all resources to all members.
Question 10. Who is sworn in as Vigilance Commissioner? किसने सतर्कता आयुक्त के रूप में शपथ ली है? Options are A. सुरेश N. पटेल, सुनील कुमार, C. सुनील अरोड़ा, D. none of these. And the correct answer is A. Suresh N. Patil.
Suresh N. Patil took an oath as Vigilance Commissioner on 19th April. He was administered to oath of office by Sanjay Kothari, Central Vigilance Commissioner, on the video link due to the social distancing norm. The swearing ceremony was attended by Shri Sharad Kumar, Vigilance Commissioner, Secretary, and other senior officers of the Commission.
Question 11. Which nation hosted the 11th session of पीटर्सबर्ग क्लाइमेट डायलॉग? किस देश ने पीटर्सबर्ग क्लाइमेट डायलॉग के 11वें सत्र की मेजबानी की? ऑप्शंस आर ए इंडिया, बी ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सी जर्मनी, डी फ्रांस. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी जर्मनी.
Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar attended the 11th session of Pittsburgh Climate Dialogue on behalf of India on April 28. The dialogue was hosted by Germany and co-chaired by United Kingdom.
Question 12. Who represented India at the Pittsburgh Climate Dialogue? Pittsburgh Climate Dialogue में भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व किसने किया? Options are A. Dr. Harshvardhan, B. Piyush Goyal, C. PM Narendra Modi, D. Prakash Javadekar. And the correct answer is D. Prakash Javadekar.
The 11th session of Pittsburgh Climate Dialogue was conducted on April 28, 2020. The dialogue was hosted by Germany and co-chaired by United Kingdom. Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Prakash Javadekar, attended the virtual conference on behalf of India.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you and bye bye.